PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning provides professional AC compressor repair in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania, helping homeowners and businesses restore dependable cooling when compressor problems affect system performance. A faulty compressor can cause warm airflow, unusual noises, reduced efficiency, or complete system failure. Our experienced technicians perform thorough diagnostics to identify the issue and complete reliable repairs using quality parts and proven techniques. Prompt compressor repair helps prevent additional damage, improve energy efficiency, and extend the lifespan of your air conditioning system. Trust PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania for expert AC compressor repair services that keep your property comfortable, efficient, and cool throughout the summer season. Call us today, PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning, to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a AC compressor repair near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. Is professional AC compressor repair necessary? Yes, compressor repairs require specialized HVAC knowledge, electrical expertise, and refrigerant handling. PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania has trained technicians who safely diagnose and repair compressors, ensuring reliable cooling performance and compliance with industry standards. Can routine maintenance help prevent compressor problems? Yes, regular HVAC maintenance helps identify worn components, maintain refrigerant levels, and improve airflow before compressor damage occurs. PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania offers preventative maintenance services that reduce breakdowns and extend the life of air conditioning systems. What is your service office for AC compressor repair? Glen Mills, Pennsylvania. Our local AC compressor repair Glen Mills, Pennsylvania office has served Glen Mills, Pocopson, Chadds Ford, Garnet Valley, Boothwyn, Marcus Hook, Concordville, Kennett Square, Thornton, Chester Township, Crosslands, Village Green, Ogden, Aston Mills, Auburn, Mendenhall, Longwood, Pennsylvania. Where is your PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning located? We are located at 53 West Baltimore Pike, number 201, Glen Mills, Pennsylvania 19342. Our phone number is 610-424-6273. Visit our website, https://pjmashvatz.com/air duct cleaning services Glen Mills/